See these wounds, these marks? It all came from this field. This plane, me, this field don't have a good history together. But today, we're gonna see if we can change our luck. All right, system check. Everything appears to be working. I'm a little nervous. I feel confident. The last time I flew this plane here, it was before I had ever met Jeff. I did have some flight control issues with this thing. It would get up and I couldn't get it down. So I had Jeff fly it and he made some adjustments. We got it dialed in and now the wind changed direction. So let's go face it the other way. Let's go try to get a good takeoff here. Because this thing's heavy. It's probably gonna need a little bit of room. But yeah, this poor plane. And here, and I was so confident to come back here and fly, but then they added these goalposts here. This isn't even a football field. This is just a running track. So I don't know why they did it, but it complicates matters. And then I know this is bad because the sun is aimed right at me, but there's a flagpole, so where I could come this way and come, but the wind is coming this way, so I'm gonna have to come this way. So we shall see, man. I think we got the skills now. I hope. So I don't want to crash this thing. So here we go, fingers crossed. Ah, yeah. Hold on. What is it doing? What is it doing? It's not in safe mode. Okay, there we go. It was not in safe mode. Whew. All right, I did that once and I crashed it. Freaked out. All right, so I think I'm getting a little bit better here, maybe. Hopefully. The nice thing is this plane's bigger, so I could take it out a little bit further. This thing still likes to fly high. You know, just it likes to get way up there. And you know, especially when you're videoing, that doesn't help. It's a little speck. But there we go. There we go. Going into the wind, we could throttle back a little bit. I do love this plane, man. This plane almost broke me at a hobby because, well, it's my fault. I couldn't fly it. But, you know, we got good people in the hobby like Jeff that take his time out of his day and put his own airplane up, buddy box it with me, and take the time, work me through this, man. It's really cool. You got people that will do that. And you know, I was like looking at the local club, and it looks like they even have flight instructors. So if you're looking to get into flying, man, you know, go check out a local club, talk to them. You know, they do the buddy box because they have it set up with these remotes because it's a good way to get people in the hobby, and people want, you know, we want to see others get in here. Look at that. I've been worried about flying this thing here because I thought it's like so big it would eat up all the space, but yeah, man, I could turn it around in these goalposts, no problem. Between the simulator, getting that muscle memory built in, Jeff taking me out, showing me, and just coming out here flying. You can do it too. Now I need to get into where I can start flying that jet. I need to start getting into that faster action stuff. Hold on, let's come on down here. Nice little low. Key is not to panic. That was kind of close to the trees, but just don't panic. I guess what I should have done is came at me with the wind. You know what the nice thing is with the bigger plane, it's easier to see. It's easier to follow than the smaller planes. Ah, this thing really is a joy to fly, man. Now let's come by. I would actually say pretty good there, man. I took off without being in safe mode. Couldn't understand why it wasn't flying away. I just took a breath and thought about it, reached down here and flipped the switch. But the important thing is, while I was doing that, I was keeping it level. Man, I would not. I did that one day. I took off like right here, took off like that, and it went totally inverted, and man, she just nosed into the ground. I was gonna give up. It's like painful to come out here and crash, which it's gonna happen inevitably. It's gonna happen, but you know, when you do it every time. Let's see if I can practice a landing. Let's see if we can do this. Problem is here, like I got that goalpost there where I should be making a nice. Oh wow, no, it's coming in fast. I think the thing is I gotta start out low. I gotta get lower, so I'm not. That way when I line up, whoa. There we go. Whoa, yeah, baby. Haha. I'll take it, man. I think it was good. Slightly bouncy, but not bad. Especially seeing I don't have a lot of time to line up here. Ooh, no. Gotta learn to work that rudder there on a tight turn like that. All right, one more practice landing. Let's see how we do. Plus what I'm trying to do here is, like, when I get into this turn, I'm trying to shed that speed. Oh no. Oh, that is not how I wanted to do that. That was right on the nose gear. Ooh. Oh, please don't break. This thing has such the weakest nose gear. Ooh. Oh no, it broke. It did break. It did break. Intact enough. Damn. Alright, well, I'm not going to practice any more landings. Oh, we still got a ton of battery. Wow. Oh, that was not a good takeoff because that wheel was. I definitely got to change the timer on this thing. It got way more than 5 minutes of flight time. Yeah, something's weird. Like there, I gave it a lot of elevator and it just didn't want to take off. I had that problem before. The last time I flew it, it had that really long takeoff, and I kind of broke that landing gear piece. Did the same thing. Probably because it rolled in the grass, it probably broke that landing gear piece early, and the drag from it not being straight. I'm seriously thinking about seeing somebody with like a metal bracket for that thing. Well, that's one of those things that I come out here and learn. That's a hard, especially for a beginner. I think everybody can maybe agree on that, to try to come in here and make that turn and try to land. But everyone, I appreciate the support. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed me and the Apprentice here, out here flying, having some fun. This battery is going to last a really long time, and I don't want to make a video that long, and I don't think I'm going to be doing any more landings until the final one. So I think we're just going to go ahead and wrap it up there. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Like, shares, comments appreciated. Links down below if you want to get some discounts on some cool merchandise and help the channel out. Alright, everyone. Take care. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.